honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is all my beautiful crafty friends doing today? My beautiful crafty friends, we're going to be making some really fun vintage looking Halloween cats. I love these cats. They're so cute. I think they turned out super duper cute. I wanted to make some embellishments for my October daily. I am a little bit late on it because I just finished putting them together last night. I put the pages together and I kind of have myself like a nice little setup. So I'm going to start filling these up with wonderful goodies that I'm making or that we're making together. And so I wanted to make these cats because there is a paper in here that would be perfect with these embellishments. If you guys want like maybe like a short video showing you how my album looks for this year, let me know and I will do it for you. I love my, do you guys see this? I absolutely fell in love with this front page. Oh my God, I love it. I just absolutely love how it turned out. This is like my favorite part of this whole entire album is this front page. I just absolutely love how it turned out. All right, so anyway, so we're going to be making these really fun embellishments. And I thought these were really cute for other projects, not just for the October daily. You can use this for other projects as well. So what we're going to use is cupcake liners. I have these really fun cupcake liners. You're going to need two. So I have here two of them that I already kind of put together. And I have these picks that I bought at the grocery shop. The market is called Stop and Shop. I have quite a few of those around my area and I love going there. And they have a really good aisle of like wonderful Halloween stuff. And so I picked this up there. I thought these were really, really pretty. I kind of really love this vintagey looking cat. And so I fell in love with him. And so I grabbed him. And you also get this really fun like pumpkin. But I really grabbed it because of the cat. And so we're going to be making some fun embellishments. Take your cupcake liners, fold them in half like I always do, and squish them in the middle. And then decide what size you want your embellishment to look like. Play around with it and just decide, okay? And then I have here my little pick that I'm going to use, but my picks come with these little wooden little picks. All I did was just went like that, and that's basically all I did, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to first glue down the gorgeous cat onto one of the cupcake liners. Okay, I hope you guys can see there. I'm gonna add a little bit of hot glue to the back of my cat. Just hold that there for a few seconds. And then I'm going to add some googly eyes to my cat. You guys know how much I love my googly eyes. Now, you can obviously leave it like that if you want, but you guys know me. I love my googly eyes. So I'm going to add some googly eyes to my cat. Just because I love the way the googly eyes look on any project, right? I mean, I'm like googly eyes lover. I love my googly eyes. All right. See how cute that looks? I mean, already she looks so cute, right? That's, look, see the difference? Without googly eyes and then with googly eyes. It just looks more fun to me anyway. Okay, now what I'm using is something really different that I never use in my videos, but I am like obsessed over this. I started to making like really fun little bows out of this Raffia, I think it's called. I love this. You can get this anywhere. You can get this at Dollar Tree, you can get this at Michael's, you can get this at Joann's, even Walmart, anywhere. And the Dollar Tree now has these in like Christmas colors. I saw the green and the red. So if you find these, make sure you pick them up. But for now, I'm using this like natural color, which I love. And I just turned it into a nice little cute bow. I took a few little strings from it and just made a cute little bow, and that's basically all I did. I'm gonna glue the bow to my little cat, and I just love the way it gives like a really nice, fun, vintagey look to the embellishment. But in the event that you don't have, you can always use either like ribbon or like twine or fabric, whatever you have at home to create your bow. You don't necessarily need that. I'm starting to love to use that for some reason. I don't know. I love the way it looks. It gives the project like a nice finished look. And I do have different colors of this upstairs, so I have to go check and see. Now, if you want to, you can always ink this. If you want to make it like orange or like purple or like black, you can always ink it, and then that also will give you a nice look. All right, now what we're gonna do is, I got these lollipop sticks. Is that what it's called? It just says craft sticks. I call them lollipop sticks or like ice cream sticks. I got these at the Dollar Tree. They come in a whole bunch of different colors. And I figured that we can probably use these to make our project look much more festive, right? So I'm going to use the orange in here. And we're going to use the purple one on our next project because I already have something that I want to create with you guys. So what I did with my little stick, this is already colored for you. This has an orange color. Keep in mind that if you have this, that it's not with like, you know, it's not colored for you already, you can very easily use ink or paint or whatever you have at home. You can even sharpen it with like a Sharpie or a marker or whatever you have. So it's okay. If you don't have these colors, just create your own colors that work with your embellishment. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to use a pipe cleaner because I want to give my little stick a nice little cute look like this right here. I use an orange pipe cleaner on this one, and then I use a black pipe cleaner on this one. So I'm going to use, let's use the black one. So just take a regular pipe cleaner, and what I did was I kind of bended the end, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue this little corner, and I'm going to put the little bending little corner against my little stick. Okay, so let's do that now. Just a little tab, and you're gonna put that on a little, like a little angle, and just hold that for a few seconds, and that will glue down. And then we're going to take your pipe cleaner, and you're just going to wrap it around just like so. If you want to do like an angle like I'm doing, you're welcome to. If you want to do it straight, you can do that too. I kind of like the angle look for me. So just wrap, 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 wrap until you cannot wrap anymore. Once you run out of space, then you're just going to wrap it around a few times in the top of your stick, and that's just going to keep it together just like so. Now I'm going to hot glue this part onto my cupcake liner that we did, which was the second one, right? Because we did two. And I'm going to add some hot glue, generous amount, and I'm going to hot glue this down to my cupcake liner, just like that. And then we're going to take the embellishment that we created, and we're going to add it on top of the little stick. So let's add more hot glue just to give it some more nice security. And we're going to add our embellishment right over it. And then you're going to squish it, making sure that the glue is nice and dry against your stick. And guess what? We're done. That's it. We're done. Make sure you go back, and if you need to add a little bit more hot glue, you can do that. I'm going to add a little bit more hot glue right there. Just a tab, not too much, just a tab. And I'm going to squish it together, and that's just gonna give it a nice security, and your embellishment will not go undone. And there you have it. And that is how we create this really fun embellishment. So easy, right? I absolutely love it. I think it turned out so cute. And you can actually add these in like on a Happy Mail. If you're doing like a Halloween Happy Mail to one of your pen pals, this will be such a wonderful little embellishment to add. I thought it was just so cute. I just absolutely adore it. I'm going to add one of these to my October daily. I don't know what page yet. I mean, I have an idea on what page I want to add it to, but I'll be doing that tonight. But that's it, my loves. That is all I wanted to show you, is how to make these really fun, cute, adorable, little vintagey looking cats. They're so cute. I love them. Aren't they adorable? Simple and easy, right? All right. I love you all. Thank you so much for your wonderful, beautiful comments. Oh my gosh, you guys are so awesome. I love all your comments. They're so sweet. They're so kind. They're just so beautiful. I love them. Thank you so much, guys, for stopping by. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your beautiful love. And I will see you guys on my next video. I love you all and have a safe weekend. Bye, honey bunnies.